Okay guys, we have one of our new fig trees that we created in an earlier video through air layering, and I'm going to put some strawberry plants here as companion plants. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. I'm Mark, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget, hit the red button so you don't miss any future releases. In today's video I'm talking about companion planting. What does this mean? It's basically when you plant two different plants together and they're benefiting from being together, i.e. through the watering, through the feed and so forth. And for us, we do a lot of companion planting with our strawberry plants and our fig trees. We've probably got, what, 140 plus strawberry plants in our garden now. We started off with about 2 dozen and basically we've just propagated them, and we've now got 140 plus strawberry plants. And depending on the size of the pot with the figs, we either plant 1 strawberry plant or even up to 4 for a very large pot. The reason we sort of limit the amount of strawberries that we plant in there is so that there's not too much competition for the nutrients and the water with the fig trees, because the fig trees are our main priority. But with the fig trees, you know, we water them every other day. We feed them once a week, so the strawberries are benefiting by being in the same pots as the fig trees. And we also plant our fig trees on a south-facing wall, so the strawberries are getting maximum sunshine as well. So not only do we get a lot of strawberries, but we also get a lot of figs. And it's beautiful, particularly over this COVID period with lockdowns. It just, you know, the garden has been our sanctuary. And every evening in the summer, we have a treasure hunt for strawberries. You know, the boys go out with baskets and they go and pick our dessert. And it's a wonderful way just to spend half an hour in the evening, just to get out of the house and just enjoy the garden more and get some fresh air, because that's what it's needed within this COVID period. Guys, within the video I'll show you how we look after our strawberries after the winter period, basically cleaning the pots out, and I'll also show you a glimpse of our treasure hunt and how much fun that is. Okay guys, we have one of our new fig trees that we created in an earlier video through air layering, and I'm going to put some strawberry plants here as companion plants. The reason being, we always place our fig trees in full sun, we water them every 2 days, and we feed them every week. So the strawberries are going to do so well as a companion plant to these figs, and they're not going to be too much competition for the fig tree. So let's get some strawberries in. I think I'll put 2 at the front here. So just pop that in. And we'll just do 1 more here. Never really been into vegetables, always prefer fruit. So we do have a lot of fruit trees and plants spread throughout the garden. Okay, so that's the second one in. And as always, just give it a good watering in. And there you have it. We've got 2 strawberries with 1 fig. There we are guys, 3 new fig trees and 2 strawberry plants in each pot. Okay guys, this is our south facing wall, and all our fig trees are up against it, and we planted strawberries as companions to each fig tree. The fig trees are only just coming into vegetation now, coming to life after the winter months. And depending on the size of the pot, I either put 1 or 2, and again, this is a large pot, 4 strawberry plants with each fig tree. So these are going to get watered every couple of days and fed once a week. We've got loads of fruit off of these last year, and I'm expecting that we're going to get a lot more this year. Another fig tree. Okay, here's a pot from last year, and we've got established strawberries in here, but the weeds have gone and grown over the winter months. So I'm just going to show you what we do to tidy these up. So literally just get your hands in and rip out all the weeds. Just so there's no competition then for water and feed, and also just gives more light to strawberries. take off all the old dead leaves and just basically renew it all. During the winter months it looks like the strawberries are all died because all the leaves have turned brown, and then you'll find come March stroke April all the new growth starts coming out, and that's when I always just tidy it up. There we are, and that's it. So we've got 1, 2, 3 strawberry plants in that pot, and I'll just start watering it now and giving it a feed once a week, and we'll soon have some fruit on there. Here's some of our strawberries, guys, in the individual pots. Depending on the size of the pot, we'll either put 1 or even up to 4 strawberries, and make sure they get plenty of sunshine. That's the main thing: sunshine, water and feed. These are all last year's strawberries. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this short video on companion planting and how we plant our strawberry plants at home. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget, hit that red button so you don't miss any future releases. Thanks for watching, see you again soon, and stay safe.